This is a telescopic boom truck-mounted crane, specially customized for customers. It has a max lifting capacity of 5 tons and has a max lifting height of 10 meters. New upgraded outline and humanized design, safer lifting and driving operation. The length angle sensor accurately senses every subtle change to ensure the accuracy of operation. The unloading valve group plays a role at critical moments to ensure the stable operation of the equipment. Li Yue cranes help customers create brilliance in the industrial field.